This is going to be a review of the original 360 spinner by EWR and the Precision Fidget Spinner toy by Infinity Spin. Alright, so with the original 360 spinner by EWR, if I spin it with two hands I can get about 1 minute and 40 seconds. And if I spin it with just the middle finger flick, I get about 1 minute and 35 seconds. With the Precision Fidget Spinner, if I spin it with two hands, I can get about a 3 minute and 30 second average spin time. And with the middle finger flick, I get about 2 minutes and 30 seconds average time. I don't really think the speed matters because you really fidget just back and forth like this. You don't go for time. And with this spinner, it's so close to my hand that it keeps hitting, and it's loud. With the Precision Fidget Spinner, it's clean, it's smooth, and it's so far. I have so much room this way. It's pretty quiet too. EWR is $17, and this Precision Fidget Spinner is $40. I would recommend this one. I would highly recommend this one. The Precision Fidget Spinner has a removable cap. So you can kind of clean it easier and then see the bearings on there. The original 360 spinner doesn't have a removable cap. They're both good spinners, but I highly recommend the Precision Fidget Spinner by Infinity Spin. I have links in the description below for both spinners, and to each his own. So if you like the 360 one, go ahead and get it. If you like the Precision Fidget Spinner, go ahead and get it. Go ahead and click on the links down below. Thanks for watching.